Hi, hello, welcome. So today is comeback day. It's finally here, and I'm genuinely so nervous and so excited because most of you are probably new here. Most who see this video are probably new here, but my day today was absolutely horribly placed because I had classes until 5 p.m. today, and the comeback was at 11 a.m. And so I have missed out on it for 6 hours, and just now I'm getting home and I'm able to watch it, and I am genuinely so nervous. The only thing I gave myself was I opened Instagram just about like half an hour ago, just when I stopped my classes. And the first thing I saw was Chan's chest. So that's what we're expecting, and that's one of the only things I've seen. I've heard nothing, I've seen nothing, and I'm so happy with myself for doing that, because now I'm like I've seen nothing. I've seen nothing of this, like nothing. And so it's all gonna be new. And for anyone wondering, I'm gonna listen to the album on camera too. However, that probably won't be on YouTube because it will not work out. And maybe I will watch the comeback stages that they did for Kingdom Week. But yeah, without further ado, let's go. And I cannot say that I will only watch it twice. I'll see how many times I watch it. But yeah, let's not take too long. Let's do it. Let's go. And also, since I said probably all of you are new here, so my ults are Chan, Changmin, and Seungmin. So if I freak out over any of them a lot more, you will understand. So let's go. Let's finally do this. I've been so excited all day. But yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Ah! So, as most of you probably have done, if you don't like reactors who squeal a lot, who are very excited, please don't watch this video because I am everything but calm, especially when it comes to my old groups. So, are we ready? Are we ready to watch the comeback of the century? I'm so excited. Okay, so there are English subs, obviously, and I will watch it twice, but I'll probably watch more of it too. So it's 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Okay, I can deal with this. I can make it. I'm gonna try not to pause on the first watch, but we can't say that for sure. But yeah, let's finally go. Okay. Ding! Let's go. Okay, I'm really nervous. Let's get it. Okay, I think this is a good volume. I'll blow your ears off, baby. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I love the animation. Okay, we're starting off with him. Okay. Han! Oh, okay. Hi, Bae. Okay. Why does he... He looks so good. That's what I saw. Okay. Oh my... Oh. Changbin, you Ian has like the red strip. Yes. Oh my god. No, wait. Ah! on. This, look. Why are we getting so much Felix and Bogdan? I can't handle that. I am. Why does he look like that? Ah! Oh my god, Sumin. Oh no! You did just not do that. This two-tone hair. Ah! Oh my god! What is this? I'm sorry, that is genuinely so catchy. Is that a giant bird? Sorry, that almost scared me. They're carrying Changbin. Yes, do it. No. Oh. Okay, I'm happy with myself that I didn't pause. Wow. I love this music video. It was so beautiful. I'm sorry. I think I was just squealing the whole time. I'm so sorry. Now that I've seen it, it kind of like wears off, and I just like become more analytical about it, because at first I'm like, oh my god. But yeah. Chan's chest was out again, and I'm fine with that. I'm okay with it, but it's a little too much for my fragile soul. But yeah, we're gonna watch it again, and I'll probably pause. Maybe. We'll see. But yeah, let's go again. Oh my god, I'm so happy I saved it till now. Like, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Again. Okay, caption time. I'm gonna turn down the volume a little bit too, because I don't think I was that, like, hearable. Okay, let's go. The animation, I thought it would be more, like, animation than it was, but it looks really cool. I didn't expect that. Okay. He looks so good. Sungwon and Ian, I don't know why. They just... I mean... Okay, don't mind... So, if you saw me watching, like, the second teaser, you might have seen that I actually saw this. Because I like him a lot. And I saw it, and I was like, oh, if we get a lot of it, my goodness. He looks great. What am I gonna say? Okay, let's continue. My goodness. Oh, I love that move. I don't know why. Oh. Oh, I love Cocky Changbin so much. Why do you have to come back all the time, Kinjin? I love you. I love this part. I love this part a lot. That too? Yeah, it is see-through. It is see-through. What I thought. It was see-through. Okay. with Ian having his hair up like that, my god. I'm sorry if I don't pay too much attention to the lyrics right now. Oh my god. Oh my, that was, yes, you are. Felix always comes in with those kinds of parts, you know? Yes, Lino! Lino rapper. Oh! Also, Hyunjin here. I love this outfit on him. And they're carrying him here. Oh my god. Okay. Woo! Wow. Okay. Okay, I just wanna, give me a second. I was gonna probably do this a million times anyway if I was doing this on my own. Wow. Okay, I'm kind of stuck, you know? Okay, we're gonna end the video. I'm so sorry. What am I doing? Okay, let's just end it here. Okay, we're done with it. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Trying to gather my thoughts. Oh my god. Okay, so song. I really like the song. It was exactly like I thought it would sound like from the teaser we got. It's so majestic and big, as I said. Like, it sounds like you're gonna fight, you know? Like, it's like you know, like a battle song, you know? Like, it's like we're ready to fight. Like, that kind of vibe. And the outfits, I'm sorry again. I know, like, I'm not trying to seem like a solo thing, because obviously I'm not. But I do Bang-chan, I didn't think it would be shown, I didn't think he would be showing that much. I didn't think that was gonna be part of it. But then I was, like, looking at Instagram, and I was like, oh, okay, it's gonna happen. But yeah, love the song, love the video, the aesthetic. They all looked amazing. I love this era in terms of, like, styling. They look so good. Like, they are really, they're going a step further, you know? They're, like, evolving. And I'm so proud. I'm so proud of them. I'm so happy they're finally back. Like, it's been a year almost since, like, they had, like, a big comeback like this, and they're back, and I'm so happy. But yeah, like I said before, I'll probably do an album reaction, and then after I've listened to the whole album, I'm gonna go ahead and probably watch some of the things they did, like the comeback show they did for Kingdom Week. Oh my god. But yeah, that's it for me. Oh my goodness. So it's finally here. It was finally here. It's finally here. And I watched it. Oh my god. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm sorry, that was probably just squealing. I'm gonna go through this and be like, why? Why did you do that? But I'm gonna try to get this up as soon as possible, because I feel like I've been missing out, and I need to, like, get my love for them out in the world. So, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.